Today I brought 3 new bowling balls that I've never thrown before, and unfortunately the pro shop is closed today. So it looks like I'll be challenging myself to one game with no holes in any of the bowling balls. I do have some spare balls to compare it to. However, house shot me versus a ball with 0 finger holes, brand new out the box. Hopefully I can shoot a respectable score. Got a little DVH spare ball here. First shot of warm up. I can't be stopped. No holes. I need to stop warm up and just start the game. Honestly, I'm gonna go out and say I honestly believe that I can shoot like 200 with a ball that has no holes in it. That's the goal score today, 200. Feeling good. I also just got this brand new spare ball, zombie ball. That'll be a tough one. I've warmed up for about half a game. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling loose, and I'm feeling like 200 with this rattler is definitely gonna be an option and definitely gonna be available for me if I just make some good shots and really make my spares, because I think I will be able to get a couple strikes here and there. I'll definitely be able to string maybe a couple in a row a couple times throughout the game. But you guys comment down below and let me know what you think I'm gonna shoot right now. I'm fingers crossed, I'm gonna go with 206. It's gonna come down to the 10th, I might need a double. That's my guess. So you let me know right now what you think I'm gonna shoot. And don't be afraid, click that subscribe button down below because we are giving away a ball every single day for the rest of the year once we hit 90,000 subscribers. And stay tuned for the rest of the instructions on how you can become an eligible winner besides just subscribing. Here we go, game one. Game one. Hook. Why does this literally always happen? It literally always happens that I do that. Literally always. Let's build ourselves on trust and honesty here. That was honestly a terrible shot. That was a good one. Please, hook. Jesus. A closed frame. I can't be upset about that. I just feel like I need to take a break in the action to realize what just happened. I threw one not good shot that 9 pinned, are you kidding me? And one really good shot that 8 pinned with a messenger behind it. The messenger hit it, it made it wiggle. I don't know who I have to pay for these pins to fall over, but I'm willing to pay them right now. 206 is still the goal. Oh. I'm actually trying to set my hand up. I've done this in the past. I'm trying to set my hand up with a pin pretty much right in between my fingers like this so I get the same layout every time. And it's just gonna make my ball be a little more consistent in terms of reaction, even though I'm gonna be about as inconsistent as possible in this video because I don't have a whole lot of control over this ball. But some bad breaks early, looking to turn that around now. Oh, that's so good. I need a messenger. I'm not sure this is gonna be an easy one to shoot, but I gotta come at this thing with confidence. Yeah! Well, here's the update. We're 4 frames in. Currently 1 pin back of 200 pace, and I've hit the pocket every time. I'm lucky that last one didn't 710. However, I got to get back on it, maybe a little pinch to the left here, try and square up my angle a little bit, come into the pocket a little bit higher, but for right now, we're looking good. I just gotta catch a double, and then I think just really coast. A triple would be huge, but I'm really just trying to catch a double here. That's pretty close. I've said it once and I'll say it again, who do I have to pay? Hook. Thank you. That's 2 times I've missed a messenger on the 8-pin. I don't even have any fingers in it, so I don't know how I'm getting this much back end motion. Too much back end motion means I'm switching from this layout right here, to this layout right here. It should be a little stronger position for me. A little stronger position, a little more rolly, maybe not hook as much down lane. That was a bad idea. I should have done exactly what I was doing and just kept doing it. Ugh. I gotta have confidence because this is a tough spare. Tough one. And hooking at it solves all of my issues. Psych! I'm actually gonna keep doing that. I'll move like 3 or 4 left. And when I said 3 or 4, I meant 4. So we're here coming up on frame 8, and it's funny how your mind works, because in this challenge, the scores are low. You know, striking is hard, making good shots is hard. However, I see this score and I'll tell you, what do I immediately think of? Take a guess. I immediately think, because I have 115 in the 6th and a strike in the 7th, first thought, 235, I'm going out. And I'm sticking with that mindset. Again, sticking with that stronger layout, I'm gonna move my feet a half. Kevin Williams, you heard me. I'm going no fingers in the ball and I'm moving my feet a half. And that's what happens when you move your feet a half. I got like nothing on that one. Always time for a spare. Always time for a spare. Oh, I need that. 206 is off the table. 235, definitely off the table. Shouldn't have even been on the table in the first place. But I can still shoot 203. Still a chance to break 200 here. Going back to the old layout here. No, I'm sticking with the new layout. Just gotta throw it a little to the left, get my hand inside the ball. Snap them down for a strike. I told you it would come down to the 10th. It's gonna come down to the 10th. I might need a double. That's my guess. I said it would come down to the 10th. Here we are. A double is absolutely crucial here. If I don't double, I don't shoot 200. Taking the sticker off the ball finally. Same layout, throwing a bit to the left, rolling. Hook, hook, hook. We're in the 190s now. I need one more. I need one more. Oh, that's so good. Oh! Came down to a double in the 10th. I still need 7 or more. Still need 7 or more. It's not a guarantee. I've gotten 6 this game. Got to take my time and really make a good shot. Once again with that new layout that I put on it. They can't stop me. Anyone who wants to challenge me in this game, I am fully accepting, because I feel like I got unlucky for 203 that game. So anybody who wants to challenge me, just comment down below if you want to take me on in this game, or if you want to try it out yourself, let me know what you shoot. I had an absolute blast throwing my brand new Radical Rattler, and even my spare ball, that new Zombie spare ball I got. Had an absolute blast throwing it with absolutely no fingers in the bowling ball. Let me know what challenge you want me to do next. So thank you all for being a subscriber of the channel. Thank you for following along, and don't be afraid. There's a link down below in the description for all of our giveaways. All of our December giveaways. You will receive an email notifying you if you are the winner, and we're giving away plenty of free stuff this December. So don't forget to click that link down below and fill out that form so we can get you all your free stuff if you are selected as the winner.